Hi, I'm Marika Newman, and I'm going to show you how to make a silent film. You will need a video camera, a computer, and video editing software. The first step is to come up with your story. Try to think of it in 3 different parts, with a beginning to introduce the characters or the situation, a middle section to develop the dramatic problem, and an end or climax to resolve the problem and conclude the story. Then you'll want to decide how long your silent film should be. Use locations such as an apartment, a street, or a public park. Have your friends act in the film and rehearse the story. Since this will be a silent film, make sure to remind the actors that they must convey everything about the story with their facial expressions, gestures, and body movements. Once you're finished filming, upload your footage onto your computer. Using a video editing software program, cut out the mistakes, bloopers, and shots that are out of focus or incorrectly framed. If you are wanting to use music in your silent film, decide on which song you want to use. Make sure to pick music that fits the mood of the story. And that is how to make a silent film.